Good morning, Danielle. Ah, so I ran into some issues this morning. What's up, One Life? And this issue cost me money. So as you know, I was swinging OLB, which I'm still swinging. And let me come over here to Street Smart Edge and show you what happened. All right, so yesterday, when I entered this trade, right? It went down a little bit more, whatever. I have no problem with that. But what I do have a problem with is on this transactions, my buy out here on OLB here, right here. So I bought 50 shares at 836. Then I bought 5 more shares at 843, which put me at 55 shares on this position. If I go to positions, look at my cost per share. 875. Now I don't know if it hasn't calculated yet or whatever, but that is 40 cents higher than where I originally entered the majority of my shares. So I was looking at that this morning. I was like, you know what? Whatever. But yeah, that just doesn't make sense to me. Those two entries right there, and where's my did not make any sense to me right there. How is it gonna jump up 40 cents off of my entry? That's insane. But anyway, that was a problem that I ran into this morning. I'm going to continue holding it. It came down and tested this bottom level here of the 630-ish level. I'll see how it opens up, but you know, this thing may just do what it wants to. Needs to get back into an uptrend though. Has had plenty of sell-off down here. But yeah, let's go over to TD. Over here at TD, I haven't really seen anything this morning that I liked. I mean, absolutely nothing. Um, so we will see. Good thing is OLB is getting some volume on today, so it may get a little bit of attention. It is up here in these top 5 volume movers, so that's good to know. It is very low float, so maybe it can make $2 back in a little bit. But I am more concerned about the downside than the up. If it wants to go, great. But I am going to be looking for a stop out point at some point, because it is making lower lows. Good morning, Lauren. Still swinging OLB, and OLB, I mean, Street Smart Edge has played a little trick on me. Is SBEA still popping? Popping to the downside, maybe. It came down, got flat right here. 11, no, 1080 right now, but around this $11 range. The daily chart still looks absolutely disgusting on it. There's the daily chart right there, just a one big red candle. So yeah, I haven't seen much to trade today during pre-market. Maybe something pops through during the open. What is it? Sava popping up like that? Sava popping, getting a pop from the 50s up to the 52, but very low volume on that one. Yeah. Sometimes your broker saves you by making mistakes, and then sometimes they lose you money. And they lost me money on that OLB trade. They they got my cost per share at 875 when my entry was at 836. Majority entry 50 shares, and they bumped me up 40 cents off of that level. So I don't know how that is. Maybe it'll start calculating correctly after the open, but I don't know. I'm just gonna watch, wait, and see. I don't want to sell yet. But 40 cents is a good bit away from where I entered. Yep. All right. So KPTI, DWAC, Mara. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to wait because there's there's nothing during pre-market today. Anyway, over here on OLB, this is the absolute uh buffoonery that happened today. Opened up the account this morning about like 10 minutes ago and I was like, oh, I'm down. But then I looked at my cost per share at 875 when yesterday during the live stream I bought here on this OLB here, right here. These are my two buys, 836 and 843. How in the world does 5 shares bump me up to 875? I don't know, but I don't know. Almost 880 is where I just don't understand. But it's all good. We'll figure it out. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Lauren. I ain't gonna sell nothing. It ain't that bad. Plus, it has catalyst behind it, so I'm pretty much gonna be in a long-term swing position on it. Still riding above this level. It came down to this 650 level right here, which is kind of where I want to see it rest today or find some kind of support at the 650 level. And yeah, I'm just gonna watch it, not sell anything, just wait and be patient. All right, back over here to TOS. So RRD is the one that's getting the most volume today. On some weak news, RR Donnelly and Son shares are trading higher after it has announced, or as after it was announced, the company will acquire Atlas or be acquired by Atlas. So I don't know if that's good news. It's just getting acquired by a company. What is Atlas? Let me go see what Atlas is. Let me see what kind of company is Atlas. It doesn't really matter. I don't think that's good news. Not even gonna research it. P Fund was getting some trades under there. Don't like it. Whole lot of downwards movement today. FLGC did get some cannabis news. Flora Growth shares are trading higher after the company reported the purchase of Vessel brand for roughly 30 million. So they acquired a company, FLGC. Cannabis. And they are making skincare products with glossware, floral beauty. They also have some cannabinoids in trial for chronic pains. So they're all about the cannabis. Oh, DWAC got restrictions on trading from TD Ameritrade. Wow. I didn't even realize that yesterday. They got restrictions on the trading on DWAC. Mara Marathon just going up. Um Lawrence says, did it feel only part? No, it filled the whole order yesterday. I got in yesterday morning before I went off the stream. I entered 55 shares at 836 and then 50 shares at 836 and then 5 shares at 843. But yeah, I entered back here. Let's see, right in here somewhere. Should be 840 level. But it bumped me all the way up here to the 77. Oh well. What's 40 cents to a low flow stock? Nothing, right? Hopefully. But we're seeing this thing just ride on down. I want to see if it can start to kind of form some type of, now it has a partial double bottom on the 15-minute, but I want to see a hold around this level here. And OBL. U1 took a dip as well. U1 shares moved lower. Local news reports that Richmond Casino referendum, Urban One rolled the dice, but the race is too close for what? Too close to call. Okay. I'm not about to read that article. All I know is it dumped down hard from the tens down here to the fives, and it bounced back a little bit, but on very, very low volume. Wasn't a huge drop. It was probably 70 cents. It'll probably be getting more volume, or 70%. Good morning, Daniel B. Waiting, watching, wondering. Yeah, did anybody get any trace on Car yesterday? That one that went from like 160 bucks to 500. Did anybody catch any of that Wall Street's bets rip? It's a definitely a higher price stock though. It was 160 bucks, but it had an earnings call and yeah, it was definitely running on low volume yesterday, but it was a crazy move. If OLB dips out of the open, I may add some on the bottom. But if it wants to hold these levels, I will be okay with that. Let's go ahead and switch over to Street Smart Edge, show you what I'm looking at. So it came down here, bounced off this bottom here, which was the same line over here at 650 level, which I want to see it hold up. Got a little bit of resistance up there at the $8. So that may be the resistance point here. $8. We will see what it wants to do. Got about 6 minutes to the bell. I actually been watching BitTorrent, kind of seeing it consolidate into this channel. Just been watching it kind of just a little bit. Sheeb, my boy Sheeb, looking like he wants to take a little rest. And Amp is also in a channel here. Anyway, let's get to some stock market stuff. Keep fun. Who lost all their money on Squid Game crypto? Is that a thing? Is Squid Game crypto a thing? Oh my gosh, it's a thing. Wow, what is this? What is this? Squid token, Squid Game. Let's look at this one. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's some what am I looking at? The daily chart. Let's look at the 4 hour. Still looks horrible. Yeah, that thing probably took some souls. Yeah, that's crazy. Got a minute left to the bell. About to see how everything reacts to the open. Don't really see anything else to watch seriously. What's up, GD? FLGC absolutely getting dumped off. The cannabis news. U1 went up there. SBEA kind of consolidated here. Wonder what it wants to do out of this flatness. Kind of unpredictable. Could go either way on SBEA. I put it on the scanner over here. SBEA. 11 seconds left. Anything else I want to continue to watch? Not really. There's the open. Where did that SBEA go? SBEA. Yeah, very low volume on SBEA. Anything else looking okay? U1 taking a little dip. OLB trying to hold up the 660s. Not doing a good job. NXTD still flat. Car 312 bucks. That's definitely up there. Sava. All of these. Let's look at some of this. Why is all of these up here low? Let's look at the volume. There we go. RDD, P-Fun. P-Fun looking like it's trying to make a move up there. The high is the 492, so gonna be a small range on that one. FGF. It's also up for no reason. I'm gonna add these over here to the scanner so I can watch them over here. FGF. Hoodie. Whatever hoodie is definitely going up. HUDI. So yeah, those are the biggest movers we got today. We'll see what happens with hoodie. Is that all the ones I want to watch? I believe so. Yeah, I may be watching hoodie here. Hoodie's looking the best. What was the news on hoodie? Hoodie steel pipe orders 3.3 million for U.S. client or from U.S. client. Definitely making some nice moves on hoodie. Low float as well. RRD. DWAC. DWAC getting on back up there. 64 up to the 66. It does have some limited trading on it though. That was the news on it. TD Ameritrade limited the trading. And yeah, I think that's all. BKKT. Not really making huge moves. BKKT. U1 back down. All right, hoodie. What you looking like? It's finally giving a little pullback on hoodie. On the 5-minute, you have quite a bit to come down. Got a huge top and tail up there. Okay, this is what I'm looking at over here. Let me see. Yeah, one life. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see when it comes down. What it's really about. BTTX. BTTX. Are you shorting that? That looks a little dicey right there. How far does it move? 73, a dollar move. Okay. Let's see if I can grab anything else from over here. Nothing else. Nothing else. Hoodie coming on down. SBEA also took a dip. Oh, BTTX. Okay, very low volume. What's the news on BTTX today? Okay, it's just continuation. Very low volume right there. Like it's starting to pick up some volume. We will see. Definitely picking up some volume. Yeah, that thing's jumping. All right. Good call out, BTTX. Got up there to that 200 moving average and bounced down a little bit. Hey, my OLB looks like it's starting to go up. Praise God. We'll see what it wants to do, though. Still a ways away from my entry, but I'm going to just hold it. All right, what else we got? SBEA. Bounce down there. What did Huddy end up doing? Huddy just got that huge D. Oh, it's halted going down. Huddy halted going down. Daniel B, why you gotta call me a moron, bro? I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. It's things happen. Daniel B always see everybody else will be poking with the regular stick, and Daniel B comes in with the Swiss Army knife trying to poke somebody. What is on my shirt? You can see my shirt. Nike, a Nike symbol. This is my workout shirt. No pain, no power, son. Anyway, uh, still looking around this death trap of a market. Huddy halted down. Anything else still moving up? BTTX still looking okay. I like it. It did pull down, get some buying pressure. It is up to 1 million shares traded. I want to see some more volume though. That's not enough volume story for me. I feel like it's gonna tear me a new one. P Fund going on down. Everything just dumping off. This one seems to be holding up on BTTX. It was a grinder the other day, wasn't it? But that top and tail on the 15-minute though, definitely throwing some wrenches in the algorithm. What is... Oh, I didn't open that. I need to open this, and I need to see for BTT, what is the float on this thing? Why is it so choppy? Okay, no float applicable. Market cap inapplicable. Okay. Hey, this thing shot up to the 723s. Praise the Lord. I'm just gonna hold it and let it do its thing. I didn't really so this bottom here is a 639, which I do not want to see it back below, because that'll be kind of nasty. SBEA going down there to the 200 moving average down there. None of these want to have good volume, huh? FG, this one halted going down. FGF. This one giving a little bounce. SBEA. I don't trust that thing on that daily chart. Hoodie still halted going down. BKKT, huge fall off. Is this the one I said needed more? No, that's not it. BTTX still got a little dump as well. Got a little dump off. Anything else? PTPI, J Crash says. PTPI. Pippi. That one should be showing up on my scanner in just a little bit. What's the news on it? Pippi. PTPI. Pipti. Why did I do that? Okay, pharmaceuticals. His and hers generates. Wait, what? Petros Pharmaceutical shares move higher. Says through exclusive marketing agreement with his and hers health generates 467% growth year-over-year growth of Stendra tablet sales. Okay, that means nothing to me. All right, so that one opened up lower. SCBA kind of curling there off the bottom. I don't really trust it, but it looks good, but I don't know because of that daily chart. BKT, BKKT still came down a bit, but very choppy on the daily chart. Huge choppiness. And then BTTX, also nice and choppy. No, One Life, it can't be that. All right, Hoodie is up there. What is oh, that's why. So Hoodie is finally up there. Glad that it BTTX. Okay, BKKT. FGF. Still trying to come up a little bit. SBEA. That 15-minute looks absolutely disastrous. Wow, Hoodie halted down again, going even further down. Wonder will it give it a bounce play? Will it be able to do a bounce play on that one? I may play it for a bounce. BTTX. Still struggling. Yeah, Hoodie, I'm going to watch for a bounce play. That is a huge move down in very short time. 35 down to the 24. So I'm going to definitely look at that. Okay. What's up, Dallas? Let's see. So yeah, looking at Hoodie, it had a huge rip down. So let's see if we can mark off any kind of supports and resistances down here. 58. We'll see. DWAC. Anything else looking like it wants to play? All right. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep my eye on Hoodie for now. I don't see anything else that's looking even remotely good. So yeah. Carmara, Riot, U1 continued up just a little bit. BKKT. EXPR. What is this one? EXPR. FLGC came back up a little bit, but it's struggling right there. For the month of October, yes. Yes, but it was not on day trading. It was on swings and cryptos. Cryptos ate every loss that I took last month. But yeah, FLGC, GAM, GameStop is up for some strange reason. GameStop is up. I don't even know why. I guess I'll put that on the list. All right, so let's look through these again. I need to see when Hoodie is coming out of this halt. Let's see. Hoodie halted at 939.48. 939.48. It halted again 946, so it should be opening up 951.33. We'll see if it gets a nice little bounce back up. What was the news catalyst on Hoodie before I play this to see if it has the news to lift it back? Circuit breaker down to the downside. Secures stainless steel pipe orders for 3 million. That's a hard one. Stainless steel pipe orders. It's not really a life-changing thing right there. All right. Let's continue to look down here. SBEA continuing down. BKKT getting on up there. Came down, splashed down, and now see what's the high here. 37.58. What was the other one? BTTX. The daily chart on BTTX is looking very let's see, the high there is the 13.43. Gave this little indecision candle there. Not liking any of that. Hoodie came out of that bottom there. Give it some time. It did crash that 9 EMA on me. Give it some time here. Gave a quick pop. 23.92. Let's see. Yep, looking like it's going to continue to push down. Yeah, man, Dallas winning Rome, man. You just gotta, take it sometimes, man. This thing is pushing down hard. Getting a large bit of momentum to the downside here. See if it can go ahead and push down some more. What's this? 21. $24s. Wonder, can it get back up? Do I need to take a starter position down here? Actually, it crashed at the 9 EMA was what I was looking at. Yeah, we'll see if it can do anything over that. BKKT ramping up there. through the top just a little bit, blasted out from the 37.71 up to the 37.78, giving a little bit of rejection up there. It's got a lot of wicks on it though. OLB, SBEA. Always mess up that. Anything else? GameStop still ripping. Express. Yeah. Express doing his thing. BKKT did break out of that level again. 72's up to the 99. Hoodie is a joke. Let's see. It dropped, let's see, 28 down to the 14. Look at how much it's dropping though, bro. You can't say this isn't. Come on now. Come on now. Look how far it dropped. I'm gonna jump in this thing and take it for the rip back up. Let's see if it can hold those 2350s. I'm gonna jump in there right there. It just had way too much movement down. That's way too fast. Bottom here is the 23.21. Way too fast. So it breaks down to 23s, I'll be out. Continue to push down. There's no way I'm selling down here. It's too much sell off. 2260 past the 22s. What's this bottom down here? 2205, 2205, 2250. Let's see if it gets bought off of these levels. That was just too big of a move not to reverse just a little bit at least. $25.50. Out here, 22.62. 22.62s. Giving it a second to do something. 22.66. Can we see those 2390s? That was a huge push down into these levels. Where those buyers at? $24 is getting a little spicy there. $23.90s. Can we see those 90s start to hold? $24s. See that break of the 24 if possible. Bottom here was the 22.72. Gonna go back and retest. That was a huge rip down. Can we see those 23.50 start to hold? $22.75s. Not seeing those 50s come up just yet. That 50 back up there. Huddy. Come on, buddy. Get a little lift off out of there. 23.50s. On a daily chart, this thing is like literally got to take out this whole bar just to get down. 22.50s. Let's see what it's got. 23.50s. It's like it wants to go down some more, which is okay. It's a huge extension down though. 21.23s. Gotta get that pop back. Gotta be a fake. Back over the 22.66. Letting it do its thing. OLB. Pop back over to 22.50s. It's got a little pop off that 200 moving average. It's a lot of selling pressure. Will the sellers get pushed out of here at that 23.80? Or will they continue to push it? No consideration of market cap on Huddy. Let's see. Short sellers licking their lips. Giving it a little bit of time here. So it did get back up here into this bar here. It's 2272s. 2155 is a low right now. Let's see what you got, Huddy. And we see those 60s back up there. BKKT coming on down. GAM. Okay. I just think that that sell-off was too much too fast. That's the only reason I jumped in there. That sell-off was way too much too fast. Plus, people got to cover. VWAP is at the 29 up there. So, let it play. Low there was a 2161. Can we see it back over the 23s? BKKT dip down there, big dip down there to the 35s, and then came back up and through. BEA slowed down. BTTX came down there. Can we get those 50s to start to hold here? This 5-minute candle is going to close in a couple seconds. Five-minute candle just opened up. Tried to push out of there. See what happens. It's almost a $10 drop from the 35 down here to the 20s, 21. So that's what, 15 bucks. Four minutes left. BKKT, SBA, hoodie. All right, Dallas. We're gonna see how hoodie wants to do. 2250. That is some insane dropping for this stock. Let's look at the past candles. It had a red candle 13 up to the 2640, 14 up to the 1981. Yep. Can we get a nice hold on the 20s, 22s? PTT, that one didn't look too good. Can we get those 2210s, 2215s? One Life said pig. Yeah, man, I'm gonna be a pig today. I'm gonna be a pig today then. Looking for that 75. 75 on the bid, if possible. One Life, why you got so much animosity against Huddy? Huddy's just out here chilling, man. Let's see that 22 break. This one's got about, yeah, it's about to close that one right there. Let's see what it's got back up to the upside. Over the 85s is what we need to see. Read the news, look at the company analysis. Okay. I see, whoops, wrong thing. Huddy, news. Huddy got a steel pipe order for 3.3 million from a US client. Um, and it receives a Navy contract. Let's see what other news it has. Company is located. Let's see, where's Huddy located? Huddy. Company, stainless steel company, blah, blah. Where are you located? Well, seeing about the market cap. Get about these levels. I mean, for me, I was looking at the market cap, but I was like, well, if this thing can took this big of a run down from the 35, it's got to retrace. Got to retrace at least a bit. From the 35, man, that's a huge drop. I can understand if it was like a little $1 drop or something like that. Man, this thing dropped $15. $15. See if we can get that 22.75 to start breaking. Well, that's what I'm looking at. One Life, come buy me retail. Come buy me retail traders. I'm already in it. Like It'd be a different thing if it was pumping through the roof on that news. So if the retail traders want to come by, sure. Go ahead and push it to the moon so I can ride it. Waiting for those 60s if possible. Give it a little time to consolidate around here. $22.50s. BKKT giving some moves. BTTX ended up going on down. $22s. Came back down to this level. 21.66. So retesting this level again. $21s. Can we see the 22.15? Something like that. To 21.83s. $21.75. Can we see that? OLB starting to hold that point down there finally. And we see those 21.75 start to hold here at all. Needs to get back over the 22.15 is the point. 22.15. Closing this candle up in 5 seconds. This 5-minute candle. Got a bottom there of the 2147. Needs to hold the 22s. $22s. Can we get over the 22s on the bid? 22.33s. 22.50s. Can we see that 22.25 on the bid? See more 22s. $22.75. 22.50 needs to hold. Okay. 21.52. It's looking like an out for me. 21.50. 21.25. We'll leave it at that. 21.25. I'm not gonna put that in there yet until it starts moving up. See a break of that 50. Can we see those 22.20s start to break? 22.22s. Can we see the 25 start to hold there on the bid? $22.25. Get those 25s to hold there on the bid. All right, so now it breaks down to 21.43, 21.25. I'm gonna have to jump. It's got plenty of support here. Just needs to get going for this retracement. 22.88. Yeah, if it breaks down this 15-minute candle, it's not going to be looking good anymore. But I'm going to give it some time to play for this retracement. Can we get into the 23s? Giving it some time to play. Can it even get back over the 80s? That would be dope. Dropping under the 50s. Yeah, that 21 would not be good right now. Break of the 21. PTPI. Yeah. Okay, RGD. Let's go back over here and check these out. We'll come back and check on that trade in just a moment. GAM. Okay. All right. So yeah, if it breaks down this bottom here, 21.44, then I'll be definitely looking to get out. So 2050 will be my all out. 2050. So got my stop out right there, 2050. It's $1 away from, or no, $2 away from it right now. It's giving it time. Can we see those 60s back up there? There's a 65 on the tape, but I don't see a bunch of them. We need to see a bunch of green 65s. It is a little tight right now, so moving a little slow. OLB bouncing back off of that bottom. Needs to get out of there. BKKT ended up going down as well. So, yeah. Come on, Huddy. Let's see you get wild. To the upside, I mean. See those 55s break, 22.55. Getting a little push down there. Right. Yep. One thing I was thinking about with that metal pipe or whatever that construction type is, um break over 6 could run to 467. 937. Give me that move up over those 22s. Can it consolidate on this level? Got plenty of volume. Will be continuing to find its little bottom down there. BKKT got a little consolidation here as well. Looking like it might pop. Looks like Huddy took a little dip. No, it didn't. Will this be a true 3-bar play at this 2140, or will this start to hold as a resist or support? Is my question. I think BKKT is probably going to give another move up out of this. Because it's right there just hugging. Yeah, there it is. Get a little pop through there, but it got some rejection at that 36.93. Big rejection. See if it gets rejected back under this line, 36.70s. They're trying to keep it alive. Trying to keep it alive. There's a little push, BKKT getting some small little pushes. Got a range. The bottom is a 36.11 up to the 37.11-ish, maybe $1 range right there. Let's see if it'll push out of there. Looking like it is. But given a lot of fakes here, up and down, it did do a lot of wicking. 37.13s, 37.11s is what you want to see on the bid for the continued push. There, I don't see the 11s here yet. 37.11. Not getting that. 37.11. $37.01s. Huh. Don't really see it. Looks like Hoodie got a little bit of pull up, but I just don't see it. Got a little pull down here. 21.78. So I like it to stay above that 21.78. And then I'll be moving my stop up if possible. It's got about 3 minutes left on this candle. On this 15-minute candle. Can we see those 30s start to hold? There's a 22.33. Can we see a bunch of those come through? Two minutes left on that. I'll let that continue to play. But he is getting a little buying pressure down here at the 21.50. But the true test will be the 23.98. About to close this candle in less than 30 seconds. $15 seconds. That's 5-minute candle. Okay, so we got a little bit of a bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up a little bit off this 29 or this 20.49, since it seems to be holding this level okay. So a break of the 21 right now is what I do not want to see. $20.40, $20.75. I'll give it a little bit of leeway. $20.75. SBEA worked its way back up there very slowly. BKKT did do a fake there, was not able to push out. BTTX still doing stuff. PT, did I add that over here? PT, I did not add that over here. PTPI. And what was that other one? KPTI. I think that's all of them. Yeah. Low floats. Low floats. Okay, that'll cut down on that. Then I think I got everything else I wanted to watch. What is RFL? Oh, that's when I tried to trade the other time that it didn't go anywhere on me. It took it 5 days to start going back up. Crazy. Can we finally see the break of the 75? Get that $0.25 under your belt. Just a peek through the 75. Not really a nice strong break there. 2290s. Definitely looking for some retracement on this one. So now we have a low here. The low is a 2150. I'll be moving up if it can push out. We will see. Can we get those 23s up there finally? Been waiting all day. And that is a no. 2310s. Got a little snapback right there. We need to get through the 2388. Start holding over that for this 50% retracement. 23.75s. 23.92. Okay. So now that it's tested that level, see 21. What was my out? 20.75. 20.99 would have to be my out now. So 20.99, I'll jump out of here. Trying to see if it can get any more help through that 24 level. 24.18s. Needs to hold over that 23.96 though. Matter of fact, 24s. Some hard shorting right there. So break of the 21 and I'll be out. $21.50. Will it break the 21s? If it does, I'm out. I will not take that one. $21.11s. 21.04, and I'm out. All right, got stopped out right there. It got a little bit of gusto, but just did not have enough to push through there. PTPI. All good, all good. OLBI. SBEA. BKT, KKT. Yep, I thought that thing could do a little retracement. It could not. Could not retrace on that one. So definitely broke that pattern. Had a nice little support level. Broke that support level. I gave it a little bit of wiggle room above the support level. Had to jump out. That failure right there at the 9 EMA was big for it. Anyway. BTTX. PTPI retesting something, somebody said. Very choppy one, but it's definitely going up. BTPI. Nice Scarface. Yeah, nice retest. Anything else? I'm not seeing. Need to change. Yeah, that's what I want there. EXPR still going on. Another thing I want to change is this. PTPI finally pulling back. Where'd it move from? The 194 all the way up there to the threes. Mm. Yeah, we saw it, Scarface. Let me go ahead and go to my gainers and get this thing. Definitely saw your alerts. Loads. Wow, broke the 365, man. Broke the 365 PTPI. Everything else here just fumbled off. BKKT, BKKT. Game EXPR trash. Yeah. PTPI, man, going to the moon. $2.90, almost $1 move right there. OLBI, I'm gonna let that one. I'm gonna continue to hold that one. As long as it doesn't break down, I'm good to go on that one. Hulk coming after 375. Possibly. We'll see. That's crazy. From the 315 all the way up there to the 370s. One Life, did you jump in on this one? Or DB? Did you guys jump in on PTPI? Anybody else get it other than Scarface? Yeah, that's definitely a short squeeze. PTPI. His and hers. I really did not think his and hers products would have that but I guess the short squeeze, I guess people were thinking like I was and shorted that thing down, but it was not going, man. It stood up like that like the pill makes you do. Let's see what it wants to do here. Coming on down, coming on down. So I like that setup. So I got this one. I can look over all those. All right. We came on down. Got about 30 minutes left on the stream. Then I'm gonna go and make this money back. Selling tablets. Oh, go give me a sponsorship with his and hers tablets. Had a whole country standing up. Attention. November 30th, 2020, high was 382. Let me look back. November 30th, 2020. Oh, I need to set this thing further back than that. Needs to be, let's do 5 years, 10 years. And okay. Ten years. Okay, let's look at that. Am I looking at the wrong thing or something? It's not showing me that far back. I got 10 years. You said November 30th, 2020. That is. I see December starting on TD. I don't see November. See, this is December 2nd. I guess this could be the high, but this is, oh, go to monthly. What I want to do? I want to add one year. Month, and yep. And so, but I want more years than that. What are you doing? Let's go 10 years. Add and apply. Monthly. Okay. 380s, three, somewhere up there close to the $4 is where that resistance is. Somewhere up there. One Life said, I see 596 on 12/18. Yeah. 12/18. Yeah. I don't know where he got that number from either, man. He's definitely using a different type of chart. Use Street Smart. Um so on Street Smart Edge, I still am very confused because this is the first day on my Street Smart Edge right here. 499 is the high. So I really don't know which one you're talking about. There's a lot of wicks out here, but I mean, I don't know. Anyway, maybe they make Street Smart Edge personal, just for each personal user. It just changes for everybody. PTPI coming on up there to the top. Why is it showing that? It shouldn't be showing that. It should not be showing that. Gainers. That's crazy. Crazy. Got you, Scarface. You had us going. We were like, what? What's going? What? How do you see that? PTPI pulling on down. So basically, I'm gonna continue swinging OLB. Hopefully, my position price does not change anymore, because if it does, it's gonna be bad. Right now, some kind of way it got up to 875. I entered at 840, so we'll see what happens. I was swinging that thing overnight yesterday during the live stream. I bought during the live stream here 836, 50 shares, and I bought 5 more shares at 843. And today my cost per share is 875, so I'm going to have to see about that. It's like a 40-cent difference. That's almost like I bought the top, but it's whatever. I'm gonna continue to hold it for possible moves higher. And yeah, on that MasterCard news, MasterCard and cryptocurrency. PTPI. Anything else looking applicable? P-Fund. For some reason, P-Fund just absolutely ripped. What in the world? P-Fund, Phun. Why? Why? What's the news? P-Fund COO Randall Crowder to appear on Benzinga's live TV at 12 p.m. Is that today? Benzinga. Why are you, what? Let me see. Benzinga. Where's my news? I go to the wrong. Okay, there it is. Yeah, it's gonna be 12 p.m. today, Eastern Standard Time. So, okay, their COO is gonna be on Benzinga, so they got an absolute monster rip there. Hmm, crazy. Let's see what else is working its way up here. What this dumb stock end up doing? Hoodie. Just going flat right there. Yeah, it's whatever. Gave it time. Just didn't want to play ball. Let all of these ride out. PTPI coming on down there into a nice, well, had a nice topping tail, but coming down into a little dissension on this VWAP. Come on down. Coming on down. Good. Change this as well. Open as floats. What is the daily chart looking like on C10 one day? Still holding up there. So we're gonna see what kind of motion it gives tomorrow. Depending on that, I may be jumping out of OLB if it starts to sting too bad. PTPI coming on down to the VWAP, looking like it wants to crack it. Looks like everybody's done. The buying volume came in, came down, went back up, and now looks like everybody's done with it. I am so hungry. Oh my gosh. Well, too bad I can't buy lunch today. Oh boy. It's always a good day when you gotta fast. Let's see. Gotta go on a personal fast. Okay. I don't know if it has enough to bounce off VWAP Scarface. I mean, after that long descending candle right there, that thing's gonna have to put in some work to bounce off VWAP. And I don't know if the buyers are, because you already took profit. So, think about a million other people taking profit on it and being like, yep, I'm done for the day. Go ahead and get this nice bull trap here. Let's get it back up to the 340s, 345 level, just to make people think it's going to go to 350 and then snatch down. Let's get it. Let's play these mind games. I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back. All right. This doesn't even look like he wants to get up there and just fake it at the 45 anymore. He's just looking like he wants to break down. All right. So pessimistic. Pessimistic. Oh, you spelled it multiple times, multiple ways. Okay. Got 3 different languages in there. Nice. PTPI. What you want to do today? Yeah, it may give some green here because it's tried to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if it'll fake green at the 350. If it can push up to the 350. Struggling to get to the 45. Let's see what it wants to do here. Will buyers be into this? Fake break. Break. I believe the range will be 45 to 50. It's going to be the fake break. So let's put some supports in here. 45 for the shorts. So $50 is the absolute top. And then the resistance would be the 40. I guess I could put the 40. Somewhere in this range is where it will snap back. It gets into this range. This is the short range. 31s. Can we get into those 40s? $34s. Snap into the 40s real quick. There it is, 42 in the range right there, snapping off of that range. Can we get a little bit more is what the shorts are thinking. A little bit more towards the 50 so I can add in. Come on. Well, it touched that level. Didn't even have enough to push up into the 40s. Thought it was going to have a little bit more than that, but whatever. $36s. Get into those 40s. Yeah, those shorts another time to enter. Push. Push into those 40s. There go the buyers coming in there right there. About to get shorted on. If it passes that 45, it's going to be very dangerous here. 40s. Can we see the 45s? '40s. Okay, so they're going to keep it away from that 45. That's what they're trying to do. Big 30,000 share position at the 37. But getting blasted through there. So it barely got into that range. There were a lot of shorts sitting up there. Nail in the coffin will be the break of VWAP here. Will be a nail in the coffin. 316. 15 cents away. Put it in there. Net. I can. Okay, that will work. But that's gonna have to be a calculated value. I don't think, see, I need a percentage. Can't do it with that. Oh, it's working its way down to the 320s. Yeah, 315 is the area. So barely gave shorts time to enter up here. It's 10:32 right now. This thing is looking like it's gonna go ahead and fill out. I'm going to continue swinging this OLB tomorrow. I'll end up either reevaluating and buying some more or selling it. So it's gonna be the third day for it. So we'll see what happens. OLB. But it's got a nice little bottom. If it stays around this bottom, I may add some, but I don't know. It needs to start getting back into an uptrend. But it is green on the day. As long as it holds that 640 level. So there was a dip through right there, PTPI. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut it down. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Be back tomorrow with updates. I don't know if I'm gonna buy some more of this OLB or what. It's still on that MasterCard cryptocurrency news, and it's just been holding these levels down here. So we will see what it wants to do. It is a very low float as well. So if it can get up and get going, that'll be pretty nice. Anyway, if you haven't checked out the Framework Fortune website yet, you can do that. And this camera, I must have bumped it or something. Anyway, if you haven't checked out the Framework Fortune website yet, do that. You can definitely hit us, me, Ben, or anybody else in the community up that you pretty much see in here. It is free to sign up. You can go up and get you a profile created on there. Appreciate Scarface, One Life, GD. Let me start scrolling. Lauren, One Life, I think I already said. J Kratz, Nicholas, Dallas, Roscoe. Appreciate all you guys for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Let's see, am I missing Lori? Definitely. How did I miss Lori? Let's see. I think that is everybody, I think. But appreciate all of you guys. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.